Welcome to Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we believe in the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld of the Brown Blankfeld Group, selling homes in Southern Nevada since 1988. We are very proud to be part of the Real Estate Radio Network. Like them, we are dedicated to delivering timely, balanced truths about local market conditions. We not only share our experience and knowledge, but that of our expert contributors. With Shelley and I, we have Kari Phillips from Southern Fidelity Mortgage. She's their #1 loan officer. And Southern Fidelity is locally owned and operated. Kari, welcome.
Thank you for having me again.
One of the things I wanted to talk about today was what can delay our closing, because this is going to be coming up a lot.
Usually when you are in a contract, you're purchasing a home, it's typically about 30 days from when you have everybody sign the contract to when you have to close on the loan. There are things that a loan officer can do to educate the buyer, to be proactive, and to make sure that there are no holdups. A lender asks a borrower, hey, I need pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns. If a client takes a couple of weeks to get that to a loan officer, that's just eaten up 2 weeks into this normal 30-day close of escrow. It's really received within 24 hours.
Verification of employment, do you need that anymore?
Half the employers out there are on worknumber.com, where you actually can get a verification of employment instantaneously online.
That's nice.
But the smaller companies, if it's their busy season, what's more important to them? To sell X, Y, and Z, or to fill out this verification of employment that they have to pull W-2s? Another thing that can hold up the process is you have an appraisal that comes in a little bit low. How long does it take to negotiate? A few days?
Yeah,
week,
we usually need a few days to get that worked out between a buyer and
Well,
seller.
sometimes
If it can get
even
worked out.
longer, because I just had one that came in 70,000 low. Either you get it up or you don't, and then you go back to the table to negotiate. So it took like 10 days to hammer it out.
Yep.
Another thing was that it's tax season, guys. If you owed a money and sent in your tax returns on the 15th, believe it or not, they take a week to cash a check.
Wow.
We can't go to closing on our end until we get proof that that money's left our borrower's account. Get all the stuff up front. Give them the education pieces up front saying, if you do this, this will happen. The client doesn't know.
You know, the one thing that holds it up right at the end, they don't have any homeowner's insurance. Hello?
Right? People know
crazy.
I go steamrolling out of my ears because that really should be done the first 3 days. We also have to get transcripts from the IRS, proof that the client filed their tax returns.
This appraisal that we had earlier this week was a result of a review, new procedure of policy from Fannie.
Basically, this appraisal will go through this Fannie system and it'll give a 1 through 5 score. 1 being, yes, this is a solid appraisal, comps and the automated values are supported. If it's on the 5 end, it says, whoa, this is an appraisal that's very risky, and we got a 4.8. It's not a FHA or VA appraisal. They're not getting this extra evaluation, but it is coming with conventional loans.
Hey, Kari, thanks so much for coming on today.
Thanks for having me, always.
Thanks for listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Please tune in every week and help us heal the Southern Nevada market one home at a time.